Let's keep going.
You've arrived.
I see it. CPV. Office. We're going to the office. Let's go left.
I got it.
Thank you, Dan.
So what did you need?
Daniel Fuller. I'm a machine shop manager and I oversee the machine shop. I enjoy making the parts. I enjoy seeing the parts through from start to finish, from solid bar stock to a completed product. So my job is to make sure that the product stays on schedule, it's completed and over into an inspection in a timely manner.
My name is Alicia. I'm a CNC machinist too. I work out on the machine shop. We make mainly like valves and fittings. We send a lot of stuff to the Navy. We all get along and try to help each other out and work together to do the job the best that we can.
My name is Corey Arg. I am an assembly technician. I both operate outside the clean room as well as inside the clean room. Once the valve is assembled properly, then we move to testing. Write up our paperwork that they passed or failed the tests. If they failed, we have to fix it, obviously. If they passed, they move on to marking and out of my hands.
My name is Joe Tomlin. I'm a design engineer or a mechanical engineer, so I design a lot of parts and stuff for new products. I like where our products go. I think it's pretty cool. Our products are used for a lot of things. Compressed gas, so it could be anything like medical gases, like oxygen, stuff like that, or it goes to nuclear submarines, mostly hydraulic applications in like the torpedo room there, or it can go to NASA, which is on the hydraulic crawlers for like it was used in Apollo missions and stuff like that.
Manufacturing is always important. If you want to have any sort of product by the end, there's got to be some sort of a production and manufacturing process beforehand.
What's your favorite thing about your job here at CPV?
I guess being able to, design a part and see it come to fruition. Like you design a drawing and then you make it, and then the shop will make it and you actually have a physical part that functions.
I like it myself because you get to learn a variety of different type things.
It's in high demand right now. The education for this is usually on the job, and when you're done, I mean, you can make a really good living.
Wherever you're working or wherever you are, there's always new stuff to learn, and the options are endless. I mean, people say, everything's already invented, but there's new stuff coming out all the time.